GitHub got hacked, not phished, not a small breach, owned. The place where over 100 million developers keep their code, the backbone of basically all the modern open source, taken down by one infected extension that was live for 18 minutes. But that's not even the scary part. This malware wasn't just want the usual stuff. This wants something new. Because this malware wasn't just grabbing usual stuff, GitHub token, AWS key, password. It was hunting for something new, like your AI keys, your Claude Code config, your cursor, your OpenAI token. This is one of the first attack built specifically to steal your AI credential. And it worked. So in this video, how the hack actually went down, why your AI tokens are suddenly #1 target, why Microsoft is completely to blame for this, and exactly what you need to do in the next 5 minutes so you are not the next one to hit. And let's get into it. Honestly, this hack isn't the worst thing happening at GitHub right now. Let me give you a quick reality check. In between May 2025 and April 2026, 257 incidents, 257, and 48 of them were major outages. That's basically one big outage every single week. GitHub Action alone, 57 outages in a year. And February was their worst month ever. 37 incident, pull requests break, merge queues started randomly reverting the code that was already merged, and their CTO came out and admitting that this platform wasn't built for scale. It's handling now. Bro, you have Microsoft money. Just build it better. And on top of all that, they have no CEO right now. The old one left, Microsoft never replaced him. So this whole ship is running without captain. And now it hit an iceberg. GitHub was already cooked, now they got hacked too. Like, beautiful. So here's what actually happened. There is this extension called NX Console, pretty popular. 2.2 million people use it. Has a verified badge from Microsoft, like the blue check mark for extensions. Hackers stole the developer's token from someone who has worked on it, and they uploaded fake infected version straight to the Visual Studio Market. Microsoft, they didn't check, they didn't scan, they didn't notice, just went, yep, looks fine, publish it. Bad version was live for 18 minutes, like that's less than a Netflix episode. But VS Code has auto update on by default. So anyone with that extension installed who opened their editor during that window, bam, infected. Thousands of developers got infected and most of them still don't know. But one of them worked at GitHub. That's it. That's the whole story of how biggest code hosting company on the planet got owned. And here's the interesting part that literally freaked me out and nobody's really talking about. The moment this extension runs, it steals stuff like token, GitHub tokens, AWS key, SSH keys, NPM credential, standard hacker stuff. But this one had a twist. This malware specifically looked for one file, .claude/setting.json. Your Claude Code settings, your AI assistant credential. Okay, this is one of the first known attack designed to steal your AI tool token specifically. Like, think about that. If you're like me using Claude Code every single day, then the API is sitting in your config file. These hackers want that now. And why? Because if they get your Claude key, they can run their own query on your build. They used your account to do more hacking. And hackers already figured out developers keep their AI keys laying around just like they used to keep GitHub keys. And those keys are way less protected. Most people never rotate them, it's just sitting there. So who's at fault here? Let's be real. The next team, their token got leaked, they still took the blame, and they're fixing things. But the real problem, Microsoft, 1000%, because people are begging Microsoft to fix the VS Code marketplace for years. Developers sending mails about malware extension every single week. Small startups like Akido and Sockets are doing Microsoft's job for free, catching these attacks before Microsoft even noticed. A 50% startup catching attacks faster than the second biggest company in the world. Microsoft owns OpenAI, has the most advanced AI on the planet, and they can't even get a basic scanner or extension uploads. It's not even hard. Wait for 12 hours before auto-installing complete. Done. Simple, right? Or run a simple AI agent to scan code before publishing, or let maintainers press a button when they get hacked. NPM doesn't even let you unpublish a package right now. Their policy is basically once it outs for forever. It's 2026. Are you serious? Okay, so what do you actually do about this? First, turn off auto updates on your editor. Yes, it's annoying, but let other people be the test subjects. Second, be really picky about extension you install. If it's open source, actively maintained, backed by a strong community, then it's usually a good sign. But if it's random extension from a single unknown publisher, then think twice before trusting it. Third, rotate your tokens, especially your AI tool tokens now. Claude Code, OpenAI, Cursor, go check and rotate them. So if you're using NX Console, update to this, kill any weird processes and just assume your compromise and clean it up. But the real fix, Microsoft needs to wake up and smell the coffee. This isn't a one-time thing. It's keep happening every single week until you put a basic protection in place. Your bank uses GitHub, your government uses GitHub, the whole modern internet run on this stuff. And Microsoft is sitting on a stack of money and doing absolutely nothing. Alright, if this opened your eyes, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Drop a comment. Did you have NX Console installed? Did you get hit? Just curious to know how bad it is out there. Until next time, turn off auto updates, rotate your tokens, stay safe, and yeah.